Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little review on the Hitachi circular saw, 18 volt lithium ion. This is model C18DGL. I started with Hitachi cordless tools with the drill and impact driver combo. I can't even read the numbers. Okay, the drill is DS18DGL. They're not brushless. I don't remember what these were. They were like 140 bucks or something for the pair. Came with 2 batteries and a charger. So I wanted a saw, and I already had these two with the 2 batteries. So I figured, why not stick with Hitachi? And I picked this up at Lowe's. I think it was $69. I've had terrible experiences with cordless saws in the past, so I wasn't too thrilled about this purchase. I got it home, and it's a bare tool. It doesn't come with any batteries. So I get it home, and I pull out my 1.5 or 2.5 milliamp battery from my drill driver combo and put it in, and I wasn't very impressed. So I ordered a bigger milliamp battery. I got this guy. It's 4 milliamps. I think I paid $30 for this, and you know, if you want a replacement, this is a 2.5 milliamp 18 volt battery. This is Hitachi brand right here, and if you want to replace this, it's like 60-70 bucks just for the battery. So $30 on this, I figured I'd give it a chance, and you know, I bought this and I put this in the saw, and it's amazing. So don't judge this saw on a weak battery, on a low milliamp battery. You need something that's going to pack a punch, a 4, a 5, or a 6 milliamp. But this saw is completely adjustable. You want to cut angles, it'll do that. You want to control the blade depth, you can do that. The blade size is probably like one of my only complaints with this guy. It's kind of an odd size when you're looking for a blade at the store. There's usually only like one choice. I don't know what blade size it is, but just know that there isn't a plethora of this size on the shelf at your hardware store. It's got a nice place to store the hex wrench to change the blade, and it also adjusts something else. I have cut everything with this. I've put a metal blade on this and ripped sheet metal before. I've left it out in the rain. It just keeps going. The only things that I have where I feel like this could have been improved is this metal here is kind of flimsy. If you drop this, which I've dropped this many times, if you drop it on the corner, it will bend this. I've been able to bend it back. It doesn't look perfect, but it saws pretty great. So that's one thing. This could be a thicker gauge steel, I think. And second thing, the light that comes on. I wish that the light would come on a moment before the blade starts to turn. It doesn't come on until the saw's actually spinning. So it would be nice, you know, to be able to feather the trigger to turn the light on, you know, so you can line up your cut. But other than that, this thing is a champ, man. For $60 or $70, the saw is awesome, and I would not hesitate to buy another one. I love the Hitachi tools, and as far as bang for your buck, this is great. So I'll show you cutting a couple pieces of wood.
Okay, so we have a 2x8, a 2x4, a piece of 1/2 inch plywood, and a 1x12. we're gonna just get some cuts in and see how this guy does. Looks like we're gonna start out in a big knot too. Well, that knot gave it a run for its money. You can hear it bog down. This blade is nowhere near new. Go for the 2x4.